What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech and welcome to Tech News. Microsoft has launched Copilot App for Android. Copilot is based on GPT-4 and DALL-E 3. It can generate content and create visuals just based on text input. It's a free app, but there might be in-app purchases. You can use it without logging in, but Microsoft suggests that you use Microsoft ID, so you can ask more questions and you can have longer conversations. Reports suggest that Microsoft is working on an iOS app for the same. The US has officially banned Apple Watch Series 9 and Watch Ultra 2. Apple has appealed the decision. International Trade Commission issued this ban in October, and it was based on a complaint from Masimo, a healthcare tech company, claiming that Apple used their patented technology in the watch for blood oxygen monitoring. Now these watches are still available to buy outside the US, and the Watch SE is unaffected by this ban because it doesn't have the SpO2 sensor. In WWDC 2023 event, Apple announced Vision Pro. That's a mixed reality headset, and it is priced at $3,499. It will run on Vision OS and it will respond to eyeball movement and hand gestures. They did not reveal the sale date officially, but reports say that it might be available from the end of January or the beginning of February. Poco confirmed the launch of Poco X6 series in India. We can expect the Poco X6 and X6 Pro from the lineup. Now this will be the first smartphone in India to come with MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra. This is a rebranded version of the Redmi K70e. Exact launch date was not revealed, but it is said that it might be launched in January and it might be a Flipkart exclusive. Seoul city government in South Korea announced that it will use drones and AI to monitor traffic conditions in real time from 2024. Now the footage will be taken by drones 200 meters above the ground. They will use AI algorithms for traffic monitoring, and they will use it to analyze the drone footage. The AI algorithms will also help predict the future conditions of the traffic. Drones will also monitor the traffic flow and the road conditions where there are no surveillance cameras. Drones will also work as inspectors, as in they will inspect the construction sites to see if they are violating any safety standards or if they are occupying too much space. Using drones like this with the help of AI looks very futuristic, but the future is now. What do you think about this move? Do you think it will work in India? Let us know in the comments below.
Amazon is sending customers emails about limited advertising on their Prime Video platform. Rollout of ads will begin from January 29th. It promises to have fewer ads compared to linear TV and other streaming TV providers. Customers can also opt for new ad-free option where they have to pay an additional fee of $2.99 per month. That is around 250 rupees. Rollout is expected to happen from 2024 in some countries, and the rollout in the rest of the countries will follow later in the year. Pika Labs introduces Pika 1.0, that is an AI video generator. It also shared a video showing what it can do. They're calling it idea to video platform that brings your creativity to life. You can create and edit your videos with AI. It works with both text to video formats and image to video formats as well. You can give a simple text prompt or an image prompt and it will generate a 3 to 4 second long video. It can create in different styles like 3D, animation, cinematic, live action, stop motion and many more. They have a waitlist on their web and you can register with your Google account or your Discord account. Bangalore-based startup Simple Energy unveiled Simple 1 back in May 2023. Now they have launched a new model, Simple.1, and this comes with a 151 km range. It goes from 0 to 40 km per hour in just 2.77 seconds and has a top speed of 105 km per hour. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen and it has a customizable interface. It is 4G and Bluetooth 5.2 enabled, so you can take calls or listen to music and do many more things. It has 35 liters under the seat storage and has IP67 rating for the whole scooter. It offers fast charging of 1.5 km range per minute with simple loop charging stations. Simple.1 comes in Namma Red, Brazen Black, Grace White and Azure Blue. It starts at 1,39,999 rupees. Pre-booking can be done on their website for rupees 1,947 from January 27th onwards. Ahead of the upcoming CES 2024, LG announced Smart Home AI Agent. It combines robotics, AI, and multimodal technologies which enable it to move, learn, comprehend, and engage in complex conversations. They are calling it the all-around home manager and companion. It is powered by Qualcomm Robotics RB5 platform and has a built-in camera, speakers, and various sensors to gather real-time environmental data, including temperature, humidity, and indoor air quality. It comes with a two-legged wheel design, which enables it to navigate the home independently. As for what it can do, it can control smart home appliances and household IoT devices. It can act as pet monitor and security guard. It can send alerts if there is any unusual activity detected. It can autonomously patrol the home when no one is there and send notifications to the user's smartphone. It helps in conserving energy by connecting with smart outlets and turning off devices that are unused. And it can do many more things. So are you excited about this device? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.